guys, how are you? Welcome in my cooking channel PRP Cooking TV. Let's do today something special, something crazy in our home. So today I'm going to show you how to make the potato chips in your home. So I like some potatoes, I don't have some thing to eat. Now I'm free, so I just try to make some little spicy, little crunchy, little potato chips in our home. Just let's do it. Potato, remove your skin, you can remove, then you can cut just like this, chips size, very small. Okay, now I cut all the slice side, same potato chips. Now I'm going to add this one here, then I'll mix little salt like this, then I'll add little black pepper. That's it, then nothing more. Then little olive oil, little like this, need to all like same oily like this, and you can make very easily. Just mix it well, then take one, then put it here also, oil, little oil, then make like this, very fast, very easy. If you like the potato chips, you can eat, you can make in your home. Then you can add, if you like any spicy, you can add any spicy also. Then put inside the microwave for 5 minutes, for 7 minutes. This is my see. Now you can make your potato chips here. Little you can see. Wow, very nice. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. If you want to say something, please don't forget to comment. And I say once again, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.